Hey guys, so this is a little video to show you how to do this assignment that we talked about on Monday. Once you've opened the assignment, this is the Google slide that will open, and this is the first slide that you will see. And so it says absolutely awesome icebreakers. Now, if you look over here on the left-hand side, these are all of the slides that are in here, and the first one that we worked on was slide 2. So this is my copy. If you notice up here, it says Nunez's copy. Yours should say copy of App Awesome. If you'd like to, you can click up there and add your name right here. Either way, when you share it with me, I know that it belongs to you. But if it makes it easier for you, you can go ahead and put your name up there. So if you look on here, these are the shows that I added. So I've added a few of my shows that I like to watch. On your copy, these boxes right here will be blank. They'll be gray. And so I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. I want to add a movie here. And so this video is going to show you how we would add images. How would we go and insert the movies that we want to add? So the first movie I want to add is The Last Dance. So I'm going to go to Google. So you're going to go on your computer, whatever browser you use, and you're going to go to Google, and you're going to Google the show that you want. So for me, it's The Last Dance. So I'm going to type in The Last Dance, and I'm going to put show so that I know so that Google knows that I'm looking for the show. And this is what pops up. So if you notice right under there, you have all videos, images. We want to insert images, so let's go to the images tab. I'm going to look at these images and I'm going to choose the one I like the best. And I think I like this one. So there's different ways that you can do this. I'm going to show you each way. You can click on it. If you have a left click and a right click. If you right click on it, this will pop up. You can choose copy image or save image as. So let's do copy image first. If I click copy image, that means that image is copied to what is called the clipboard. The name of it doesn't matter. It's basically just saying that you can copy and paste it anywhere. So if I went back over here and I hit edit and I hit paste, it's going to pop up. You can also hit Control V and it'll paste it. Or you can just click here on the screen and hit paste. And then your picture will pop up. Now I'm going to show you another way to do it. You can go back to the images. You can right click on it and click save image as. So I'm going to choose somewhere to save that image, somewhere that I know where to find it later. So if you look over here, you have desktops, you have documents. Let's say, for example, we want to save it in documents. You can click new folder and you're going to put, okay, first assignment or whatever it is. Let's just put math first assignment. And that's a way for you to remember. You can name it whatever you want, but you just have to remember the name. And you're going to know, okay, all of the images that I'm using for this math first assignment are going to be in this folder, and it's going to be in my documents. So I'm going to create this folder, and I'm going to change the name from download to The Last Dance, and I'm going to save it. And so now when I go back to my assignment, I can go right here to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and I need to remember where I saved it. So I saved it in Documents, I saved it in Math First Assignment, and here it is, The Last Dance, open. And there it is. So those are two different ways that you can go and insert it. Once you have this image here, you're wanting to put it down here in your queue. Like these are the shows that you've recently watched, right? So I want to add it down here. So I'm going to grab it and move it. And now I want to resize it so that it fits in that little gray box. And there you go. And you can add more. I only asked you guys to do 1 or 2, but if you know how to do this and you've got it down, keep going. Add all of the shows that you want. So these are the shows that I have. I'm going to add 2 more, but before I do that, I'm going to go on to the next slide and show you guys how to do that. So if you go down to slide number 3, this is where you're going to insert the apps that you use the most. So it says right here, your most used apps. And so I have Spotify. I use Spotify all the time. Uber Eats, love to order food. I love to cook, but I love to order food too. And podcasts. I like to listen to podcasts. I'm going to go ahead and add another app right here. So we're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to go to Google and we're going to find the app that we want to add. And so for me, I spent way too much time on TikTok over the break. So I'm going to look for TikTok logo. And I'm going to go again to images, and I'm going to choose the one that looks just like the app. Like, what does it look like on my phone? Like the little thing that, so that it looks like a phone here, right? That looks like a phone. So I'm looking for the little app logo that'll match what it looks like on my phone. And so another thing you can do, actually, I'm just going to do it the way you guys did. So let's go ahead, Control and copy image. And then when I come back, Control V. And there it is. And so there's things you can do. Y'all notice all this white around here? There's things we can do to make it look prettier. You can click, you can crop the image, and you can cut out that white space that we don't need it. If you don't know how to crop, that's okay. It's not a big deal. I just thought I would show you guys just in case. And now I can move it to my phone right here and kind of just place it where I want and resize it so that it's the right size and it matches everything else. And that's it. So you can add up to 6 apps. There's room for 2 more apps down here. So whichever apps you guys use the most, I just want to use this to kind of like talk about what we've been up to and what we like to do, and just, you know, we haven't seen each other in a while, so it would just be a great thing for us to share with each other and talk about. And when you guys are ready, you can go to the next slide, and it's Instagram. I want you guys to just kind of put a picture here about what you've been up to, one of your favorite pictures from when we've been off, and then you can add a caption here, kind of like Instagram. And then here's a Pinterest board. There's a lot in this assignment that you can do. The last one is my favorite. It's Spotify. And the same way that we added it, each page is the same. You're going to go insert your images and any text that you want to. And this one is my favorite because we can add and talk about music. That's my favorite thing to talk about. And you'll just kind of put, you know, like the songs or the album here. And I can't wait to finish this assignment and talk to you guys about it. We're going to work on this on Wednesday, and I don't think I'm going to make it due until Friday. So I don't want you guys to stress out about this. I want this to be a fun activity. I hope this video helped you guys. If you have any more questions, be sure to ask me.